Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit in Java. We'll start by understanding the core mathematical formula. Then, we'll dive into writing the actual Java code to perform this conversion. Finally, I'll show you how to handle user input and display the results clearly, making your program interactive and user-friendly. Let's get started with the basics of temperature conversion. The essential formula for converting Celsius to Fahrenheit is straightforward. Fahrenheit equals Celsius multiplied by 9/5, then add 32. This precise mathematical relationship ensures accurate temperature conversion every time. In Java, using floating point data types like double is crucial for handling the decimal values involved in this calculation, guaranteeing precision in your results. Understanding this formula is your first step.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, if you're looking for a book that can truly change how you think about money, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. It's a fantastic read. You can find the link to the book and other great deals in the video description below. Now let's get back to the video.
To implement this in Java, first declare a double variable to store your Celsius temperature. For example, double Celsius equals 25, 0. Next, apply the conversion formula directly. Double Fahrenheit equals Celsius *9, 0/5, 0 plus 32, 0. Finally, use system out println to display the calculated Fahrenheit value. This simple sequence forms the core of your conversion program, making it easy to see the output. Making your program interactive involves using the scanner class to accept Celsius input from the user. Always include input validation to ensure the user enters valid numerical data, preventing errors and making your program more robust. Once converted, format your output clearly, perhaps stating 25 degrees Celsius is 77 degrees Fahrenheit, for easy readability. This enhances the user experience significantly, providing a complete solution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.